This past Monday, Jewish people all over the world prepared to celebrate the Passover, the coming out of bondage in Egypt. But in the Ukraine, where the situation continues to unravel, the Jews there were overcome with fear, particularly in the province of Donetsk, where Jews are being required to register. This is an echo of the 1930s in Germany, when Hitler brought in what were known as the Nuremberg laws, among other things, that targeted Jews and marginalized them for identification. And of course, in retrospect, we can see what happened to those Jews. Hitler wanted to know who the Jews were and where they were, so that when it came time to round them up, the task would be easier for the Nazi regime. And so leaflets were distributed in this Ukrainian province the other day. It has 4.3 million people, 10% of Ukraine's population, and 17,000 Jews. And it's home to much of Ukraine's heavy industry, so Putin has his eye on this area. And of course, having grabbed the Crimea, why not grab eastern Ukraine and especially the industry that is there? And so the leaflet read like this: "Dear Ukraine citizens of Jewish nationality," innocent enough, but it went on to say, "Due to the fact that the leaders of the Jewish community of Ukraine supported Bandera junta," a reference to Stefan Bandera, the leader of the Ukrainian nationalist movement, which fought for Ukrainian independence at the end of the Second World War, quote, "and opposed the pro-Slavic People's Republic of Donetsk," meaning the interim government that's there now, "has decided that all citizens of Jewish descent over 16 years of age and residing within the Republic's territory are required to report to the Commissioner for Nationalities in the Donetsk Regional Administration Building and register." And if the message wasn't clear enough, this was said, stipulating the consequences that would come to those who fail to abide by the new demands. Quote, "Evasion of registration will result in citizenship revoked, and you will be forced outside the country with a confiscation of property." End of quote. And as if to add insult to injury, the leaflet demanded the Jews pay a registration fee of $50. History is being repeated. This is the thin edge of the wedge. And once again, the Jews are being targeted. So the anti-Semitism that has always been in the Ukraine, but sort of dormant over the past number of years, now rears its ugly head. And the Jewish people should be afraid. Sadly, if history repeats itself, much worse is to come. So we need to pray for the people, the Jewish people of the Ukraine, actually for all the people of Ukraine, because a civil war seems to be inevitable, and many will be hurt. The Second World War claimed some 50 million lives in Europe, and the last thing we want to see is a repeat of that. But once again, the Jews are on the leading edge when the persecution begins.